Complete kitchen in a box, includes everything you need to completely outfit your kitchen and take cooking and baking to the next level, includes a full cookware set with frying pans, skillets, saucepans, stock pots with tempered glass lids, a deep frying and casserole pan with a steamer tray, fry basket and lid plus a complete pro baking set with cookie sheet/jelly roll pan, loaf pan, muffin tin, square pan and more. Ultimate Ceramic Nonstick. The Gotham Steel nonstick cooking surface is coated 3 times and then reinforced with diamonds to deliver the ultimate food release. No seasoning or even oil or butter needed, makes for healthier eating, and provides for hassle-free 1-2-3 cleanup. Healthy and non-toxic, the Gotham Steel coating is composed of ceramic and reinforced with titanium, ensuring this frying pan free of PFOA, PFOS, lead and cadmium for an eco-friendly, healthy experience for your entire family. Metal utensil safe. The coating of the pan is infused with diamonds, the strongest material on earth, which makes it durable enough to withstand metal utensils, spatulas, spoons, whisks and even electric beaters while delivering years of outstanding, non-stick use. Effortless cleanup. Dishwasher safe. Spend less time with cleanup. After all the cooking and prepping is done, place cookware in the dishwasher for quick and easy cleanup. Stovetop and oven safe. Compatible with gas, electric, glass cooktops and oven safe up to a sizzling up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, lids included. Stay cool handles. The stainless steel handles are ergonomically designed for both righty and lefties, and the unique Y-shaped handles lets heat escape and keeps the handles cool to the touch. Solid aluminum composition, stamped from a single sheet of aluminum in a heavy press, ensures even heat conductivity and distribution all around with no dead zones or hot spots. Top reviews from the United States. Best nonstick I've ever had. I was looking to upgrade my pots and pans to something nonstick. I found this set that came with pots, pans, bakeware, etc. and decided to give it a try since it was reasonably priced and well reviewed. It has far surpassed my expectations. Everything slips right off the pans with no cooking spray, eggs with cheese, burgers, etc. I just tried baking with it the first time and was super impressed. The cake came out so cleanly you can even see the imprint of the brand. All I do to clean is use a small amount of dish soap and a wet paper towel wipes it clean in no time. Highly recommended.